Let us go to the simple joys of nature to realize that elusive peace of mind, at least for a short while. The gentle breeze wafting from the garden brings fragrance as well. The moonlit night is sheer delight when the moonbeams embrace and kiss the earth. The starlit sky is another source of joy. There is the music of the birds at dawn when the sun peeps out. There is earth's laughter in the fresh blooms. Lonely streams with their cadence have their own special charms. Rainbows and dancing flowers thrilled Wordsworth. Byron found rapture in the pathless woods. Yes, let us take a break from the sick hurry and turn to nature's bounty. Thank you.